Hello. In today's session, we are going to discuss about a laboratory experiment, 5 structures, program number 6. The program is to implement an index on secondary key, the name for a file of student objects, and to implement add, search, delete functions with a secondary index. In this program, the following operations are to be performed on an index file. Initially, create an original empty index file as well as an empty data file. Two files are to be created. Then load the index file into the memory. One is an index file, another is a data file. Initially, load the index file to the memory. Then rewrite the index file on every use. That means on updating the data with every index of every entry. That is on updating every record into an index file. It has to be rewritten. It has to be updated. Then add the data records into the data file whenever required, as many of records. Similarly, we can delete the number of records and update the index file with the changes for the data file. Okay, let us see the algorithm to implement in secondary indexing. So initially start, create a new file std.txt and index.txt in open mode, and also create a file second.txt for storing a secondary index. And we are implementing with the switch case where the choices of the user is asked whether to add a record, search a record, delete a record, or by default with the exiting. So the first case addition, second case search, third case delete. Before deleting we have to search, so search function is called once again. So let us see the individual algorithms or the steps involved in all the functionalities. In an add module, we will be reading the name of the student, USN, age, semester and branch. This data is added initially to the data file, and the respected indexing will be updated in an index file. In the similar fashion, we also need to update the secondary indexing file, that is the second.txt, with the secondary indexing along with both the files. In the next function, while searching for a particular record, we consider the name of the student as a key element. We open second.txt and read the contents to the buffer. From the secondary index file, we will read the contents to the buffer file. In the buffer data, we will compare the name of the key element with the secondary name. If this matches, it will be equivalent to 0. That means if the condition satisfies, the record will be found. If not, record not found, close the particular file pointer and end the searching functionalities. Similarly, to delete a particular element, the file will be read with the name of the user. The user file will be considered in an open mode, that's std.txt student data. Scan the particular file, and to locate the particular name, USN, age, semester, branch variables into a buffer memory. Then remove the particular record from the student index as well as the secondary index files. Once the record is deleted, you have to print the particular record on the output window. So let us see the class to define a program. We are considering a class student where the variables are name of the student, USN, along with that age as well as the branch will be considered as a members of the function, members of the particular class student. Apart from this, we also need to require to declare some variables like a student buffer to store a temporary memory, as well as the file stream pointers fp1, fp2, fp3, which are connected with a student text file, index file, and the secondary index file. So in a main function, the files are opened in a out mode, std.txt, as well as index.txt, where the output will be updated, and once the use of the function file pointer completes, the file pointers will be closed. In this, the user is given with a choice to add, to search, delete the elements from a particular file. So the choice of the user is considered as an input, and the relative operation will be performed, like addition, searching, and deleting the element. So let us see one of the functionality, adding a record. So once the add function is called, it will ask the user to enter the name, USN, semester, age, and branch. Once after every data is entered, every element entered by the user, that will be updated or copied to the buffer, along with concatenating the delimiter to each element in between the records. Each and every element is differentiated with a delimiter, name delimiter, USN delimiter, semester, age. Then it will calculate the length of the particular buffer, and the length value will be stored in a value x till the number of values, buffer length minus the number of the length of a particular record will be considered to evaluate the operation, that is to add a functionalities. Once the file has to be opened in an append mode, that is std.txt, it's a data file. Then similarly index file will be also opened in an append mode, and the secondary text is also added in an append mode. Append is used because we are already having a number of records within a file. For that particular record, few more records are to be updated. We are adding a new records. So once the element is counted, when the delimiter occurs in a data file, that will be stored in a buffer, and the element is updated, and the count of a particular record will be updated. That means the record data is updated in a file pointer 1. Similar to that, the indexing in a primary index and the secondary index files, the data is updated. Once the data is updated in both the index files, file pointers will be closed. Let us see a sample output of a program. The user is given with the choice to write, search, and delete. Write is nothing but to add an element. Enter the choice 1. The user is entered with the 1 choice. So name, USN, age, and semester, and branch of the student is entered. Similarly, the user enters one more element. And the second time, the user is asked to with a new choice. Here the input from the user is 2. The user, once the choice 2 is entered, the name of the student is to be entered for searching in a given record. The search function checks the results. It matches with the buffer data which is available in a secondary index, and it says that name is found, the record is found, the relative record number is 1 because this is the first element, and also it will display the elements, the name, the record details. Similarly, the search delete functionalities can be performed for the different cases. These are the references. Thank you.